What if I tell you this tiny IC can create music? Yes. Today we are assembling a mini musical organ kit using the legendary 555 timer IC. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you love electronics and music, then this video is for you. In today's video, we will assemble this mini musical organ kit, test it and finally hear how it sounds. So let's get started. First, let's see what comes inside the box. We get tactile switches, 8-pin IC base and IC 555, terminal block, ceramic capacitor, electrolytic capacitor, wire and speaker, resistors, PCB. You can also make this project on a pref board. I already have another video on the same project using pref board. You can check the video description. This kit includes a PCB for easy assembly and components values are printed on the board so you can build it easily. At first I am checking the resistors value using a multimeter. Although all resistor values are already printed on the PCB, this kit works on a very simple concept. The 555 timer IC works in stable mode, generating different frequencies. Each key changes the resistance value, which changes the frequency. And that's how we get different musical tones. Simple electronics, beautiful results. Now let's start assembling. My assembly is almost completed. Now carefully insert the 555 timer IC into the socket. Make sure the notch direction is correct. The small step is very important. For this kit, you can use a 9-volt battery or lithium batteries. We have to carefully connect VCC and GND correctly. Now it is time to test it. It is producing a melodious tone, but it is not in the C major scale. For example, it should play like this. But instead it sounds like this scale. I think this is a Chinese pentatonic scale. We can change it to C major by changing the register's value. If you want more musical electronics projects, comment below and let me know. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.